Hi ladies, and welcome to our course. It's just a short video that I like to post at the beginning of each session so that students that I haven't worked with before can get to know me a little bit and get to know a little bit about what my experience is and what my expectations are. My name is Debbie Saboter. You can please call me Debbie. I've been a registered nurse for 30 years, and I've worked in the hospitals. I've worked in home care and long-term care. I earned my master's degree in nursing with a specialty in education from UMass Medical Center in Worcester. And I'm currently working on a postmaster certificate in online teaching here at Bay Path. So all of the courses that I'm taking in this certificate course are online. I've taught clinical rotations to nursing students at STIC, Elms College, and UMass Medical Center's Graduate School of Nursing, all here in Massachusetts where I live. And I also was a lab coordinator and faculty in the skills lab at UMass. I've taught online courses at Bay Path in the HSA, the HSW, the CHL, and the BSN courses, and I also work in nursing education at a local hospital. So I worked my way through school from an associate to a bachelor and then to a master's degree. It did take me over 20 years. I did this while raising a family, my two boys. Most of it I did as a single mom. So I do feel a pretty strong connection to those of you in this American Women's College online program that are juggling so much between personal jobs, school. I truly get it. I am married. Excuse me. I have two adult sons, two adult stepsons, two grandsons, and a granddaughter. And I also have 3 cats and a dog. My passion for teaching really began by precepting and mentoring new nurses and students while I was a floor nurse. One of the things that's really great to see is when they actually have that aha moment. You can see that it in their eyes when they actually get it, when it all comes together. If you were to ask me about my philosophy of teaching, I would have to say that my work is closest to Socrates. He said, I can't teach anybody anything, I can only make them think. So his teaching method doesn't treat students as empty vessels to be filled with facts and theorems. Rather, the teacher and the student embark on a voyage of discovery. The teacher does not so much impart knowledge as draw knowledge from the student. He doesn't teach, he educates, which means to draw out. This is a perfect, I believe, teaching philosophy to be using in online education. I feel that my role is to make the material interesting and relevant to you as adult learners. As adult learners, you are all here for a purpose and with limited time. And I do tend to learn as much as you do in each course, even if I've taught it before, because all of you come with such diverse backgrounds. Inevitably, there's somebody in the class that does something different in nursing and can really share from that aspect. So we all learn from each other. This is what I love so much about teaching at Bay Path in these courses. So this meme says, if you're the smartest person in the room, then you're in the wrong room. I challenge us all to believe that and learn from each other this session. So let's get going in the session together. Welcome.